guys, make sure you stay until the end. There are some hidden bolts and clips that you do not want to miss and damage things. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video 20V having a BMW F10. That's a 5 Series BMW from year 2010 to year 2017 guys. If you want to see how to remove rear tail lights, we're talking one on the driver, the passenger side, left and right side. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that step by step. It's not very complicated, but if you do some minor mistakes, you may damage some clips and stuff, so make sure you stay until the end. We'll cover everything from start to finish and we'll explain where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste money and time. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays, engine and transmission problems. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 14 to 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. Those are videos guys that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Please subscribe so we can keep making these free videos for you. So what are we guys going to do next? Now we need to remove that piece right here, and how we do that, we're going to leave the carpet liner now, and here we're supposed to have a clip. One is missing, but we'll show you on the next one. You pull the middle piece out, you pull the clip like that, so that's the third one right there, and then we have one more on the passenger side. Okay, right there, perfect. Now that piece guys, okay, let's look at it now to see if we have anything else holding it. It shouldn't. Okay, let's inspect. Okay, let me see here, it might be still holding somewhere, probably has a clip. Okay, let's see on this side now if we'll be able to pull it out. Okay, something's holding here, it looks like. Let me see, make sure we don't have anything underneath. It looks like we don't guys. Okay, most likely it has a clip. Let me see what kind of clip it has on this side, so we know what to expect. Okay, we need to go up. We need to go up first. Okay, like this one. And then we go back. Okay, that container here, it might have two plastic nuts there. You might need to remove it guys, okay, to be able to slide the piece out. Your serial lighter will be here, careful. Okay, right there. And this one, for some reason somebody removed it and it was unplugged, so it didn't work, as you can see. So you have the cable there if you need to remove it. Quite a bit of sand from the beach here, so we'll need to clean all that stuff. Next we need to pull the whole bottom carpet liner here, and now we need to start guys, okay, removing these panels right here. So we don't need to remove all the way all of them, but what we need to do now, let's start with that clip right here. We'll remove that one. Okay, perfect. This one came out. Now on this side we have exactly the same thing. Okay, perfect. Here, let's see now, okay, if we're going to have enough room for everything, we need to disconnect the fuel opener here. It needs to go through the thing because we will need to pull that thing a little bit to the side guys. Here on the back we have another clip that we need to remove, and on this side the one here is missing. Somebody took that car apart in the past, and you can see now so a few things are missing here and there. That's why it's important to put it together exactly the same way you guys took it apart. So, okay, that carpet liner came out just like this one on this side. Let's go ahead and do that side now here on this side. So, we can continue with the next step. Let's pull it out. It goes under the seal, around the hinge there. Perfect. Okay, just like that. Do not bend them too much because you can crack those sometimes. So here now, by the tail light, guys, we need to get a prying tool. We need to remove that cover here. Okay, it has, guys, a clip right there. Okay, that goes in and to here. It's quite dirty here. We'll need to clean it. Okay, so it can go in there correctly as well. Now, what do we need to do here, guys? We're going to get, guys, a 8 millimeter, and we have now on the back side 3 nuts. 1, 2, and let me see, one will be over there. 3, and the wire, the wire, I'm trying to see, you just pull it out. The tooth is on the other side, but if you grab it, don't grab it for the wire itself, grab for the black thing here and pull out. Now we're going to go ahead, let me come on this side now and start. Okay, once we get it in, let's move the head out of the way. Okay, I want to show you where it is. Perfect, like this one. One nut is out. Okay, it's coming. Okay, one nut is out. We have 2 more right there, guys. Let's go ahead, do those. Perfect, and one more right there. Okay, now the left tail light, guys, okay, should come out. We might have a holder here, we'll check. Okay, let's grab it, pull it straight back. Okay, 1 second. Wiggle it a little bit. Now it comes out because that bolt is there, so you need to come out a little bit on this side somehow. I see the bolt being stuck, so let's see. Maybe we need to come on this side out and then pull it out. Yep, just like this one. Those are the bolts. Let us show you now. 1, 2, 3. There is no holders, no special clips. There is one guide right here that goes, okay, in that hole. Right there, guys. That's where the bolt goes. That's where the thing goes. That's where the wires go. This is the other bolt and one on top right there. And the left tail light came out just like this one. So the tail light on the right side, on the passenger side. Now we have 1 nut here, 2 nuts right there, and we have 1 nut over here. And the wire, of course. The wire for the black thing and pull it out. Now, let's go ahead, okay, and remove, guys, the nuts now. Okay. I'm trying to get a little bit of light so we don't drop the nut because those nuts could be hard to find. Okay, perfect. It's about, guys, okay, to come out. So remember, we wiggle it. Oh, we need to remove that cover. We forgot that cover on this side. So we come on top, go up, it lifts up, guys. And when it lifts up, okay, you slide it over. Here we need to clean quite a bit before we put it together. Next, we grab it, we wiggle it, come on this side out, then on the other one. And the right tail light came out, you can see just like this one. So guys, you can see the tail lights on the left and right side. That's how we remove them. If you guys need to buy replacement ones, we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. If you guys have any questions, do not hesitate to let us know. Hopefully the video will be helpful, guys. You can do the job yourself. You can see for probably less than 20 minutes and you can save a bunch of money instead of going to the mechanic or the dealership. It's not a hard job, guys, and you can do it yourself most of the times if you have some basic knowledge about tools and cars, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.